Today, we turn pineapple leaves into a wearable bra.
These leaves are usually thrown away.
But inside them is strong natural fibre.
They are collected for textile processing. Next, the fiber will be extracted. Machines begin separating the fiber from the leaf.
Fresh fibers still contain plant sap.
Fibers are rinsed to remove residue.
Inside the transparent drum window, the camera records water tumbling fibers slowly while filtered water flows through perforations.
Clean fibers move to drying.
The material resting on racks is washed pineapple fiber bundles, pale beige, moist strands arranged.
The cleaned fibers are air-dried.
Airflow removes natural moisture.
Bundles. The drying material is semi-dry pineapple fiber bundles, light tan strands no longer dripping.
Drying continues until fibers stabilize.
Dried fibers move to carding. Carding aligns the natural fibers. Fibers form a continuous sheet.
Inside the container lies pineapple fiber sliver, thick, loose rope of parallel tan fibers, dry and
The sliver feeds the spinning machines.
Roving prepares the final yarn.
The prepared material is pineapple fiber roving, uniform pale tan strands positioned above spinning spindles, ready for twisting into yarn.
Spinning twists the fibers into yarn. Consistent tension keeps the yarn strong.
Finished yarn moves to weaving preparation.
Finished yarn moves to weaving preparation. Threads are aligned before weaving.
Warping aligns threads for the loom.
The beam feeds the weaving machine.
Weaving turns yarn into fabric.
The fabric is washed to soften it.
Natural softener improves flexibility.
Passing between rollers is washed pineapple fabric, darker beige wet cloth compressed to remove excess water, because squeezing prevents uneven drying.
Heat sets the fabric shape.
The camera continues along the frame exit, where cooled air flow across the moving cloth surface before release.
Finished fabric is ready for cutting.
Fabric is prepared for garment cutting.
Patterns define each bra component.
Inner layers add structure.
Parts move to sewing assembly.
Assembly begins with cup stitching.
Lining adds comfort and shape.
Elastic provides flexible support.
Final trimming prepares finishing.
Heat molding sets the final cup shape.
The soft tan textile conforming precisely to the curved metal form, because thermal setting stabilizes structure without damaging natural fibers.
Cooling locks the shape.
Labels are attached for identification.
Approved garments move to packaging. Each bra is carefully prepared for packing. Protective wrapping keeps the fabric clean.
Boxes are sealed for shipment.
Finished products arrive at the distribution center. Random sampling ensures shipment accuracy.
Each item is checked after transport.
Approved items move to retail stores.
Now the product reaches customers.